Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to DOOGEE T20. Firstly, go into Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can choose Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive next to Send at the bottom of DOOGEE. Then go back to an Android to select all of those categories located at the top. From those categories, you can select all of your files by clicking on those type of dots, or just click on the chosen ones. Whatever you do when you finish, tap on Send next to selected. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you want to connect using this QR code, tap on this scanning icon above User Guide on T20. Then click on While using or only this time to allow camera access, and point your tablet's camera at the code. If you don't want to do that, you can always input this key in Input Key section and connect thanks to Receive button. So when I click on it, the last thing I need to do is pick the best option for my ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window. As you can see, when I click over here, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!